Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. What we have here is a Jenn-Air dishwasher. The complaint is that the unit is not draining properly. When we open the dishwasher, you will see that it is full with murky water, showing that it is of course not draining. The first step is to see what we have going on. What you want to do is press the cancel drain button, close it up. You hear a sound coming from the drain pump. That's not a normal sound. Something is either binding it up or the drain pump is bad. So today we'll be replacing the drain pump. The tools you will need for this repair: a flathead screwdriver. Now you'll want to take all the water out of the dishwasher. I recommend using a shop vac. If you do not do this, when you disconnect the drain pump, you will have water all over your floor. So make sure you get as much out as possible so that you only have small amounts of water that can come out. Now that you have all the water out of the bottom of the tub, you'll want to release the filter here by turning it counterclockwise and lifting up. This will get to the bottom of the sump. You need to clean this out very well. It will be filled with any type of grime, food, etc. that could be plugging it. And make sure you put your shop vac down in there to get the extra water. Now that this is complete, you can go ahead and start removing your drain pump. Now to access your drain pump, you'll need to remove the bottom cover. It does have these two screws that are almost like compression tabs. Simply use a flathead screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise, and pull out to release. When it is turned the other way, the tab will turn and expand it so that it locks in place. After these are removed, pull out from the bottom to remove your bottom cover plate. Remove the insulation. This is more or less a sound barrier for your dishwasher. And now we can get to the drain components that are right here. Now to release the pump, there is a tab that's on the top. On the new drain pump, you can see that there is a spot going here. There's only one way that this goes. There's a longer one and two smaller ones. Well, the longer one has a push-in tab here that releases it from the sump assembly. You will have to press down on this and turn it to the left counterclockwise in order to be able to remove it. Water will come out when you do this, so make sure that you have a towel ready to catch any residual water that's inside the drain lines, and then go from there. Now I'm pressing in on the tab. I'm going to turn it. You can see how it's turning to unlock. Now it's open. It'll come out. Any water is getting caught on here. And this one, you can see that there's a piece of glass in it, which is more than likely what ended up binding up the pump and ruining it. Anytime you find broken glass inside a dishwasher, it is highly advised to remove the filter, clean it out, and possibly even remove the drain pump to clean it out to prevent any further damage. After this is done, there's a wiring harness that is connecting it. It also has a tab right here. You'll have to press on the tab and pull out to remove the wiring harness. Now that that is out, remove it from the strain reliever, and you can replace your drain pump. Now remember how the top tab was on there previously. You want to position this the same exact way when putting it on. It can only go one way with the top tab. That's how it clips in. I do not recommend putting the wiring harness in first so that you don't tug on it and cause any type of wiring damage. So put it in there, position it. Now once you push it in there so it seals correctly, turn it clockwise. You will hear it click into place. Now put in your wiring harness. and you're free to test out your dishwasher. Now you'll want to put back on your sound barrier insulation. Remember, the glue was going across the bottom and that there was a small notch going across where your electrical components were. Your plate has the 2 squares and a flapper at the top. Make sure the flapper goes into the top. The 2 squares are on the bottom. Start from the bottom, lean it up. It will need to be lined up with the 2 notches that are inside the metal. Use your plastic screw tabs to hold on the bottom bracket. Simply slide those in and turn it clockwise for them to lock in. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.